Here's how to find and replace the GlideEncrypter API in your ServiceNow instance. This is a necessary step to enhance the security of your instance by replacing older encryption methods. Go to All, search for Instance Scan, and select Suites. Now find the specific suite that checks for GlideEncrypter usage. In the Suites list, select GlideEncrypter. Next, run the scan by selecting Execute Suite Scan in the Suites record. In the Scan Suites Now window, choose Full Instance to ensure that you scan everything. Then select Execute Scan. This starts the process and a progress window is displayed. After the scan is complete, the findings are summarized. If any usages of GlideEncrypter are found, they'll show up here. To see the details, just select Go to Result. This brings us to the scan result record, which lists specific items to check for GlideEncrypter. Select the count field in the scan findings list to dive into those individual records. Now you know the exact scripts that need updating. This is where you'll make the necessary changes to replace GlideEncrypter with the recommended alternatives. After you've updated your scripts, run the scan again. This ensures that you've caught everything and there are no remaining calls to GlideEncrypter, confirming that all your changes were successful.